has ambitions to go pro. I think he's going to need to step it up against his opponent to show his full potential for this match.
Susan, been walking cost me all night. It's all right. I still love you. I still love you. Well, the question here, Nathan, is can Lambe hang on?
Absolutely.
Or has Hoover burnt it out? And can Lambe redeem himself and come back with something special in this third and final round?
Hoover giving a good slip immediately out the box. Again, he's pushing the fight to Andre. He's the aggressor. He's trying to tie him up, trying to dominate. Good counter, but not enough. You can see his conditioning is awesome. Hoover's conditioning is awesome.
Lambe has to connect with him and put some fear in him.
Absolutely.
Right now, Nick Hoover has no fear.
Not at all. Lambe, he tends to stay on the outside and throw his shots and pick you apart. Hoover isn't giving him any distance to stay on the outside and pick anybody apart. He's pushing the fight to Lambe, and Lambe's unable to respond. Barely holding on right now. Hoover's about to take a clear win by referee stoppage.
Standing 8.
Standing 8. This looks like Hoover's game right here, Mike.
You can see the Canadian coach, Chris Q, over there putting some words in along with Joe Marchand. He's going for the win now.
Absolutely. This is where Hoover wants to be. Hoover wants to be in a slugfest. The crowd clearly not supporting the Canadian, but the Canadian is showing that he's not here to make friends. He'll make friends after the fight, Mike. Another standing 8 for Andre Lambe. I think Coach Chris Q knew exactly what he is doing when he lined up this fight, Mike.
Andre Lambe is showing a lot of heart tonight.
He's showing his heart, but he just doesn't have it in him.
He's taking major punishment.
I think the Nick Hoover is looking for a knockout at this point, Mike. His shots are coming from the back, from the front. He's doing uppercuts. It's all Hoover right now. Andre doing everything he can to hold on to no avail. And Andre hasn't moved out of that corner. He hasn't moved out of that corner at all.
But he is still
He's still
firing.
moving.
Yeah.
He's moving, but it's at this point, he's being programmed. He's programmed to move, but he doesn't have it in him.
Yeah, unanimous decision.
Unanimous.
What's she have, a boy or girl? I need to know. So,
okay, the result of bout number 7. A unanimous decision. The winner in the red corner, Nick Hoover!